Hey everyone, it's Shawnee, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry cream cheese French toast bake. Let's get started. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350. Next, you're going to take a 9x13 pan, and you're going to spray that. Next, in a large mixing bowl, you're going to add 8 eggs, 2 cups of milk, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, a fourth a cup of white sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And you're just going to mix that all together until it's all combined. Next, you're going to add a loaf of chopped French bread, and you're just going to add that to your egg mixture. And then you're just going to toss that into the egg mixture. Make sure everything is combined. Next, you're going to take half a cup of flour in a medium-sized bowl, and you're going to add a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you're just going to mix that together. Next, you're going to take a half a cup of unsalted cold butter, chopped, and you're going to put it in here. And then you're going to take a fork and cut it. So just kind of press it in with everything. Mix it. Now you're going to take your pan, and you're going to take half of the bread mixture and put it on the bottom of the pan. Spread it out so it's nice and even. Next, you're going to take 2 cups of blueberries, but you're only going to put half of this on this layer. So put a cup of blueberries over this layer. Almost to a cup. Okay. Kind of spread it out a little bit. And then you're going to take 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you're going to chop that into small pieces, but you're going to take half of it and put it on this layer. So just kind of spread them out. And just do the same thing again. So you're going to put the rest of the bread mixture on top of everything. Spread it out. And then take your blueberries, spread them on that layer. And then you're going to take the rest of the cream cheese that's chopped and put it on this layer. Spread them out. Okay, now you're going to take the brown sugar topping and you're going to put it on the top of your dish. You're going to sprinkle it on. And you can kind of even it out with a spoon. Okay, and this is going to go into the oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, it just got out of the oven. It smells so good. This serves about 8 to 10 people. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!